Happy Friday, everyone. Angel with Flower City Insurance Agency. Just wanted to take a quick minute and do a video on some things that I've been hearing about car insurance and what may or may not affect the policy's rate. One of the myths that I've been hearing a lot lately and people ask all the time is the color of the vehicle. So the color of the vehicle does not matter in determining the rate of your insurance policy. In fact, we don't even know the color of your vehicle unless you specifically tell us that. It's not one of our underwriting questions. It's not decoded in our system when we decode the VIN number. So unless you tell us the color of the vehicle, the insurance company has no idea what color your vehicle is. So again, the color of the vehicle does not determine your policy premium rate. So it doesn't matter if you're driving a bright pink vehicle or, an everyday black or white vehicle. The things that do matter when determining the rate is the year, make, and model, the body type, the engine size, the original cost of the vehicle, like the sticker price, the cost of the repair, the overall safety records, and the likelihood that the vehicle will be stolen. Insurance companies also take into account your personal driving record, credit, your age, and a couple other factors also go into play. Another myth is the older you get, the more money the insurance will cost. That's not always the case. I know that a lot of people think that, the older generation pays more because they're more likely to get into a car accident. But again, that's not always the case because they're usually driving less than the average driver because they don't, they're retired. Maybe they're just going, back and forth to the grocery store. So they do drive a lot less. So their likelihood of them paying more is pretty slim. It's actually, the younger you are, it's usually the higher the insurance premium, unfortunately, because you don't have the driving history that the insurance company is looking for to be able to better rate you. So you do pay a little bit more being younger. Your credit is a huge factor when determining the policy's rate. Unfortunately, the insurance companies have seen that based on credit scores, a good credit score demonstrates how well you manage your finances and is shown to be a good predictor on whether or not you're more likely to file a claim. I'm giving you the news. Don't shoot the messenger. These are the insurance company's rules and guidelines, and that's how they determined the insurance rates for every individual. So again, somebody always says, so and so drives a newer car and pays less money than me. Unfortunately, again, maybe they have better credit, maybe they have a better driving history. It could even be the zip code. I mean, where you live also determines what your policy premium and how it's affected, unfortunately. Again, I'm just giving you the facts and the knowledge that I know. Don't shoot the messenger. Another myth that I've heard is that your insurance policy will cover your vehicle if it's stolen, vandalized, or damaged by weather. This is only the case if you have opted to carry the liability limits and comprehensive coverage. If you only have liability, you're not covered for any of those types of things. The comprehensive part of the insurance policy is what covers those scenarios. Another one that I hear is your personal auto policy will cover business exposures. This is not the case. So if you are an Uber or a Lyft driver and you have a personal auto policy and you're involved in a car accident, let's say with 2 people in the vehicle, it's pretty likely that your insurance company or carrier will deny that claim. And not only will they deny that claim, they will also probably issue a cancellation for your insurance because a personal auto policy does not cover any type of business exposures. So that's a huge no-no. Make sure that, again, if you are an Uber or Lyft driver or you're doing anything else with your personal vehicle for business purposes, definitely know what your policy will or will not cover because you don't want to be stuck in a lawsuit if you're using that vehicle for a business exposure because the insurance company probably will find out exactly what you were doing when the accident happened. Another thing is, a lot of people think that the insurance, if someone is driving their vehicle and has their own insurance policy, that policy will pay any damages to the vehicle that they're driving. In most states, and the last I heard, New York State is one of these states, the insurance policy follows the vehicle, not necessarily the person. So regardless of who is driving your vehicle at the time of the accident, your insurance policy is found as primary and will be covering the damages whether you or your friend or whomever was driving the vehicle during the accident. So make sure when you're lending your vehicle out, you know the risk and you are clear that your insurance policy is the one ultimately going to be covering damages to your vehicle and any other property that is involved in a car accident. Again, just wanted to hit a couple of myths that I've been hearing a lot lately and that people have been asking me about and clear those up for you. We're always available to do a quote. It is Friday. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Contact us for a quote, 585-861-2002. We have multiple carriers that we can shop you with. Let us do the work for you. 585-861-2002. Again, Angel with Flower City Insurance Agency. Bye, everyone.